Hey guys, I'm going to do a bike check real quick. I just ended my other video on how to do an assortment of tricks. Alright, so let's start off from the back to the front. I got basically like nuts and hardware all the way around the bike. And then I got the Primo, let's see if that'll focus. Primo the wall tires. They fill up to 85 psi if you can't really see that. It's like upside down. Fills up to 85 psi. But yeah, they're the wall 20-inch tires. Well, something like that. And then basic Black Label rims. Well, no, they're not Black Label. They're Y303 by X rims. And then we got a Miracle Edit by Black Label, as you can see right there. Miracle frame. And then I got a stock chain. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so dirty. Look at that. It's disgusting. I need to clean my bike. I'm gonna take it apart soon when I go over to my dad's house, cause I'm at my mom's right now. But yeah. So everything's really stock with the X rims Y303. Again, for the front rim, it's got Black Label forks, Black Label bars, stock Black Label stem. It's the same with the headset. It's got the Black Label cranks, the sprocket. I don't think the sprocket's Black Label. Almost positive it's not made by Black Label. Can't really tell. But it has Odyssey twisted pedals. And yeah, that's it. So oh yeah, with the Edwin Del Rosso grips. That's it, guys. I'll probably make my next video in a while. So yeah, see ya.